Hey yo, it's Chris O. Yeah, well, last night, look at that blue sky, bloody gorgeous. It was raining last night, but it's a beautiful day today. What I'm doing here now is I'm undercutting it. I'm not giving it a mitre, but I'm just undercutting it. I don't know if you can see that, see the way it's broken. Well, when I broke it, when I cut it, you need to undercut it slightly just so it comes together nicely. Get that shit out of the road. Next one. So what I do now is, Jeffo, this is how you get such a nice straight cut. What I've just done, you undercut it, give it a nice bit of a chamfer there, just to take the sharpness off. I like butting my tile up fairly tight. I don't like a gap. Blech. So then it goes together just like that. And there you have a nice joint. So you get the grout in there. When it's too tight, your grout doesn't go in properly, so you allow a little bit, you know, and that's nice. That makes for a nice shower tray, a shower base. See you soon. This is Chris O. Subscribe to my channel and you will learn heaps. See ya.